mind so weary. I closed my eyes and slowly start to doze. Then there's that noise that rumbles through the silence, that awful sound that's coming through your nose. You wake me up at night when you start snoring. You keep me up each night all through a week. When you make noise that sounds like lions roaring, you wake me up and I can't go to sleep.